Okay guys, I'm back, Alayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do puffy sidewalk chalk. And so we're gonna make a rainbow. So we have, okay, so we're gonna make the rainbow with that, and then there's a lot of color. Okay, so my mom brought most things from the Dollar Tree at the store. So I got the. It's a cheap activity, and so we have a big. Okay, now we have the equal to water equal to flour. And so we're going to pour the water in.
Go ahead. Careful.
And then my dad's going to help me mix.
Do the other water too. Do the other water too, please.
I'm going
Go ahead.
to It's chunky.
Whoa, careful. Go slow so we don't splash, okay?
Okay. It's hard to mix. Okay, now we're going to put this full this hand.
Go ahead. Can you squeeze it? There we go. Oh. Okay, that's good. Whoa, look at all that. That's crazy.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I don't want to taste that. It's disgusting. That's for your face, I think,
Yep.
right? Yeah. That's Daddy's shaving cream. Ooh, it's super white now. Okay, now we're going to buy the colors in 6 bowls. 6 bowls. Okay, now my mom grated all the chalk up. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And then, so now we're going to mix the chalk. So now we're going to mix the chalk up. Okay, now we're going to mix, so now we're going to pour all the chalk in. Daddy's going to mix it up. Just like we're making a rainbow cake. Daddy, can you move for a minute? On this side now. You can see. So now we're going to put the color in. And now we're going to do the last color. Purple. Okay. Now Daddy's going to make. Oh, wait. I feel like we're making slime because I saw rainbow slime before. I mean red slime before. Not orange, not yellow, not green, not blue. Okay, so my mom got these containers at the dollar store, and instead of looking at them, they have their names on them, and so then we're gonna pour the containers into. We're gonna pour these containers into the other containers, and then we're gonna. Okay, so you only use a little bit because
Make a little bit.
You only make a little bit because they're gonna waste on the day. Okay, so we're gonna put the tops on, and then we're gonna go out and play with the sidewalk chalk. Okay, I'm gonna move this one. Okay, so guys, can you read the colors with me in these containers? So purple. Wait. Purple. Purple. Blue. Blue. Yeah. Green. Yeah. Yellow. Orange. And red. Now this. Wait. So now we are gonna paint. Now we're gonna make a rainbow with these. Now we're gonna make a. Oh wait. Sorry. Now we're gonna make a rainbow. This is red. Oh, sorry. That's the rainbow I make. Okay, that's good. Good job. Now I'm gonna do this. Baby! No, there's an ant coming. No, it's gonna eat it. I don't want to eat it. Yeah, well, move this out of the way. I want to make. There we go. Now we got another color. Oh, wait. Now the last color. Ta-da! Now this is my rainbow. Okay, you can wash it off with the rain when it comes down, or you can wash it off with the hose. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.